Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Infinite Chemistry and here I am Sarita Shaktawat, and this is a series of the video in which the book Modern Method of Organic Synthesis written by the Carather, and this is lecture number 4 in which I will discuss about a book reaction. This is a book reaction and this is your reaction. See, this is your reaction, and this book this reaction from a Carather book, and this is a chapter 1 reaction. This is a chapter 1 reaction, and this see, in this reaction you have a this compound, and they're having a one protecting group at here also present, and there is a conjugated ester also present, and here given a reagent is a LDA with THF, and in the second step also given a PHMeCl. Okay, you will also know about the name of the this is protecting group. This is a protecting group of the ester also. This is a protecting group, and the name of the protecting group is a methoxy-ethoxy-methyl ether. What is the name? Methoxy-ethoxy-methyl ether, and the structure of this compound CH3OCH2CH2O CH2. This is a protecting group of 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol, and allylic alcohol, as well as this is a protecting group and the protecting group of ester, also the ester protecting group. This is a methoxy-methyl ether. I will mention it here, and if you know about the reaction, and if you read a book, then you can solve this question easily, and otherwise this question not solved by you, this question, and this type of question, and from this book already asking many of the question in the CSIR NET exam and also GATE exam. This is a direct question, and its question is a very important for the CSIR NET exam, and also asking in a 4 mark question, because I will discuss about the which one is an important point for the reaction. In the reaction, it's a have a one important point. If you are remember about that one important point, if this point you are remember, if important point you are remember, then you can solve this question, and otherwise you can't solve this question. I will discuss in the mechanism of the reaction, and see here also given at methoxy-methyl ether. I will open the methoxy-methyl ether. Firstly, I will draw the substrate of the reaction. Here is your CO2 Me. There is your conjugation, and here is your carbon. Here is a C double bond O CH, and here also your oxygen, and here your methoxy, and see your methoxy ethoxy methyl ether. This is your ether, and this is your substrate compound, and here also given a LDA in the reaction with a THF. Here is a solvent, and LDA your base, and as a nucleophile both, and LDA having a nucleophilic site. I will show the structure of Li and isopropyl. This is your LDA, N isopropyl lithium, N isopropyl amine. This is your LDA. Okay, they have a positive charge on lithium atom and negative charge at here. This is your nucleophile and base. The base and nucleophile obstruct your more acidic hydrogen, and in this compound you will see this hydrogen are most acidic in the nature. So this hydrogen will be abstract by this base. They are attacked to it here, and here is generating a nucleophilic site. So I will draw it here. There is your O, C double bond O. There is a new negative charge generating by it here in this position, and I will show at Li will be inserted at here. So Li positive charge, and here carbon generating a negative charge at here. So I will draw like it, and your compound CO2 Me, and I will open in manner. There is your oxygen, and here is your ethoxy. Okay, we also know about the oxygen having a lone pair, and this lone pair are chelating with this Li. If you know about this structure, then you can solve this question. This is a very important intermediate in this reaction. If this is a chelating structure, chelating intermediate, if you draw this structure and you know about that, then you can solve this question, and otherwise you can't solve this question. In the next step, what will can do in the reaction, I will show it here. And next step, what is do it here. Here also we know that there I can draw, so I will can show in this something another. See, there is a nucleophilic site, and this is a positive charge on this lithium ion, and this lithium ion will chelate with this oxygen, and another possible oxygen with this also chelate and forming a ring. But this is a stable structure with a chelation, and this is a nucleophilic site, and this nucleophilic site also attack in the next step at the pH CH2, and there is your leaving group. Leaving group is your Br. Okay, your leaving group is Cl, and this nucleophilic site will attack it through the SN2 mechanism, and this chlorine is removed. There is a SN2 reaction. In the next step, this is a SN2 reaction, and we will get a product of the reaction, and the product of the reaction is MEmO2C. Here is inserted your pH benzyl group, and there is your conjugated ester. This is your to Me. This is your final product. See, in this reaction, if you know about the reaction, in this reaction, one important point is a chelation of LDA Li ion with Me M group oxygen, then you can solve this question. Otherwise you have a lot of confusion. You may direct take it at this position of the component, and another one possibility to take at this position. Also you can many of the possibility of the product, but the final product is that because of the chelation is present in the reaction. So if you like, then share my video with your friends.